Nico! Nico! Come on! Nico! Ni fucking sko! Come on! Det er så deilig! Endelig kom den! Endelig kom den! Sava!
Oh, schön. Auch schon mal ein Multi. Oh. Da kann was werden. Wenn er jetzt Stern droppt, vielleicht auch noch. Oh! Oh! Aber scheiß Buchstabe! Mit Buchstabe! Trotzdem gut! Aber mit Buchstaben, Mann! Mal 19! Aber mit Buchstaben! Guck mal da mit dem besten Symbol! Guck jetzt auf! Oh, gönn! Junge! What the fuck? Er kommt absolut außerhalb Bedeckung hervor! Junge! Oh!
But guys, it's not me right now. I'm trying to solve it. Right? Keep that shit going. Boom, 18-18. What we need is a good ending. Could pay good. Okay. Rein. Gun. Holy, that's one more line. Come on now! This could be good! We need one more wild over there. One more here! One more here! That is gonna be sick! Oh my... Yes! This is gonna pay! This is gonna be sick! Boom! 14K! Holy! Holy fuck! 14K!
5 of those is 5k.
Yeah, thank you, Butterfinger. Thanks for being here. 5 is 25k. It's 5kx.
Jesus Christ, get that full screen.
I will be the undisputed Potten.
Oh my god! Oh my... Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck is this?
Look at this. I feel fun. I have a bad feeling about this. That is the expander. I don't know. That's pretty good though. That is not bad. We need some other premiums.
The collector is not so good here though, I think. Or is it? Some more premiums maybe? Is he gonna collect 79x every spin? Filler bro! Quinda! I'm printing! Maybe. Come again, give a symbol somewhere. Yes! Every spin is like 100x minimum. Also one more premium now and this is gonna be sick. One more premium. Ja. Lägger hon ut? 2x is good. It could have been 1x.
Yeah, he's gonna collect.
I have no idea what to expect here. Oh jävlar. Please land more symbols.
Hon kastade ju 3 så det blir 4 gånger nu på varje.
Oh jävlar, då kommer det vara... It's gonna be sick. Kom, yes! Yes, kom igen! Ja då, kom igen nu, jobba!
Oh!
Any premium now, and it is sick. A collector now is GG. Was it one more spin? Kom igen nu, snälla. Please. Ja! Kom igen, more premiums, please! This is 15k.
He's shooting out 4 every time. You know, that's why you're getting... Oh my god.
Oh, kom igen. One more of anything.
Oh.
Wait, no! This is gonna be my biggest win ever. This is beating the Bonanza win in X-wise. Maybe I can beat you if I get a premium.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my fucking god. This is my biggest win ever. 2 more spins. Also 1 more premium now and it's ridiculous.
I mean, if you have collector now, it's max win. Basically.
I think so, yeah. No, I don't know. Come on, 6,380x.
7. Yeah, it's gonna be 8,000x. It's gonna be my win. It's gonna make my win.
Yeah. Come! Oh! How much is your win?
8,100. Nah, 8,000 something. It is more. This is way more.
I don't even know how much is this in. Yes! Get the fuck in!
Come igen!
Finally we win on this game! How much?
No, don't press.
Wait. So it's gonna be like 40k? It's over 40k! and
35k
wager, yeah. Yes! Get the fuck in! Oh my fucking god! Well, now I have the biggest win in X and in money-wise. Filler, bro. Oh, 42k! Get the fuck in! Oh my fucking god! Oh shit! I didn't realize it was gonna be